Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and navigate to your profile screen. You'll then need to tap on the gear icon to access your settings. From there, scroll down until you find the section related to public profiles. This is where you'll initiate the removal of your public presence. Once you're on your profile screen, look for either your Bitmoji or the ghost icon at the top left and tap it. This opens your main profile view. Next, locate the small gear icon, usually in the top right corner, and tap it to enter your settings. Scroll through the options until you see the Public Profiles section, which is typically near the bottom. Within the Public Profiles section, you'll find an option to Delete Public Profile. Tap this to proceed. Snapchat will then present you with a confirmation message explaining what will happen to your public content and data. Read this carefully to understand the implications. If you're sure, tap the Delete button one more time to finalize the process. After successful deletion, all your public content, including stories and spotlight submissions, will no longer be visible to other Snapchat users. Don't worry. If you change your mind later, you can always create a new public profile whenever you're ready. It's a straightforward process to get back online. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.